What do you think of a marriage bureau as a way of finding a husband?
I think it's daft.
What have you got against the bureau?
Well, I think you should be able to find one on your own.
But it's said to be the smart thing nowadays to go to a bureau to find a husband.
Oh, well, I think if you can't find one on your own, I don't think you'll have a will.
I'd rather stay a bachelor and find a wife that someone else has
Selected for you?
Selected for me and put on a little file and just said, oh, right, she'll do.
Well, personally, I don't believe in marriage, but I mean, it's necessary in this sort of civilization. So if a person's looking for a husband, well, a marriage bureau is as good a way as any for finding one, because you've got to find someone who's suited to yourself.
What do you think of a marriage bureau as a way of finding a husband?
Well, I wouldn't say it's absolutely ridiculous, but personally, I wouldn't go myself, you know.
Why not?
Well, it's hard to say. I just wouldn't. I think people who go there must either be really hard up, and they'll just find someone else who's hard up.
Well, I think they're excellent sources of girlfriends or wives for people who can't find their partners through their own sources.
Do you mean the lonely, the shy people?
The lonely or shy people, yes.
Did you find your husband through a marriage bureau?
No, I didn't.
How did you meet him?
I met him at a dance.
Do you think there's anything wrong in meeting a potential husband through a marriage bureau?
Well, I think it's wise to try by yourself until you're about 40.
40?
Yes. And then when you're about 40, I suppose the romance, you don't think so much of the romance then, you just want company. And I think I'd go if I was 40.
A section of the community, of course, who don't mix socially, who are too shy to mix. Don't you think that the marriage bureau is made to measure for these people?
Well, I should imagine to a certain degree they are, but whether or not they prove relationships of any lasting degree, I don't know really about.
Well, the marriage bureau claim that they have a very high proportion who stay married, happily married.
Well, of course they have a financial interest in the subject, have they not?
Do you doubt their word?
Well, to a certain degree, I'd like to see results, statistics, if possible. Of course, one can't judge these.
Are you married?
I'm not married now.
Do you think you might eventually seek your mate through a marriage bureau?
Definitely not.